Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a cabbage curry. The ingredients are like this. Now take a cooker pan and add 1 teaspoon of jeera, mustard seeds and 3 to 4 dry red chilies in a 3 teaspoon of cooking oil. Add few curry leaves and saute it well. Add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder now. Now I am adding a 2 teaspoon of tur dal and half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now I am adding a bowl of grated dry coconut to it. Saute it well. Now transfer this mixture into a mixie jar and make a fine paste of it. Now take a cooker pan and add 2 teaspoon of oil, and I have taken a 4 to 5 crushed garlic I have taken, and 1 bowl of onion and 1 large bowl of chopped cabbage now. Tomato. And now adding a chopped. Fry it well. And now add a bowl of soaked moong dal to it and stir it well. And pour a masala mixture here and add a 1 cup of water now. So allow it to boil for 5 to 15 minutes. Now I am adding a 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil to it, and 1 cup of. Now add 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder to it. Let it boil for 5 minutes, then close the lid and put visual in a medium flame and make 2 whistle. Now cabbage curry is ready. You can have this curry with dosa, chapati, paratha and rice. Thank you so much.